What's up, guys? It's Mauricio here with my T800 Kenworth 2012. Today I'm going to be hopefully fixing an issue with my AC. Now my AC works in my sleeper and it's just not blowing hot air in the cab in the front, and I think it's because this valve is stuck right here. See how that valve goes all the way through? I think it's stuck on open mode, and it's letting all the water from the heater block go in. So you know, you can easily put like a valve there. I tried to put these pliers there so I can shut off the water and get AC, but it didn't work, so I'm going to replace it. Mine happens to be right here. So this is the water valve. I'll let you know how it goes. Okay, so before I took anything apart, as I expected, the valve was open. I went up there and I put it on cold and it shut the valve. So that stops the water from the block coming in here. Like I said, you can just cut this and put a valve if you want there, but this is the thing, old one. It's bad. I mean, actually right now, like I said, right now it's on cold, so it's shutting off the water. See that? Then I move this to hot. Come over here, and now it's open. So this is my problem. My AC is working. These lines should get super cold. Right here, there should be condensation when it's on. So if you're not sure if your AC is working, turn it on. If these pipes get cold, one of them, I think it's this one, then your AC is working. More than likely you're having this issue right here, or it could be something else. There's a lot of things, but this is the issue that I'm having particularly in mind, this water valve.